Now, of course, the idea is not to only have an office tower, but our chairman, my father's vision was, when he created this concept, was he wanted the tower to be like a tourist destination. When you go outside, Shah Rukh's house, Mannat, even for us as a family, when my mom comes to Mumbai,
What can I say? मेरी माँ जिंदा होती तो बहुत खुश होती. Genuinely.
outside, we are anticipating, like Mannat, people are going to come down to this office, office tower and take a picture with the king himself. When you enter our lobby, it's going to be a grand double-height lobby with beautiful chandeliers, harmony of luxury, warmth and prestige. This is the ideal first impression of Shah Rukh's by Danube. Like I mentioned, we have tried to create a very nice architectural masterpiece. And the next picture is one of my favorite pictures of the entire tower. So again, I'm going to give a quick countdown. I hope you like it, because this kind of concept has never been done before, at least in a commercial tower. So take a deep breath. 3, 2, 1. Shah Rukh Bhai, this is the heart of the building. What we have done is we have given 4 floors of amenities in the heart of the building from floor 32 to 36. And keep in mind, guys, this is not a residential tower. This is an office tower. How many of you all go to work and imagine you can go to the 33rd floor and enjoy this beautiful sky pool, enjoying the skyline of Dubai. Right next to the sky pool, you have this nice premium gym. Go and work out, jump into the pool, relax after a hard day of work. Right after that, network in the King's Clubhouse. This kind of a clubhouse normally you find in very premium place like Arts Club, like Capital Club. But here we're giving this King's Clubhouse for all the tenants, which they can use free of cost, of anyone who's part of this tower. This is where the $1 million deals are going to happen. We also have this beautiful Lounge 33. Since we're celebrating this, 33 years, we've spoken a lot about 33. So we have a beautiful outdoor lounge where you can come back, relax, enjoy the Dubai skyline. Multi-purpose hall, podcast studio, very, very important. Beautiful premium meeting rooms that you can utilize outside your office. And this is a money shot. This is a money shot. It's one of my favorite pictures because the Dubai skyline now has a symbol of success, Shah Rukh's by Danube. I want to hear 2 words about it. What do you think looking at this shot?
What can I say? मेरी माँ जिंदा होती तो बहुत खुश होती. Genuinely, I think it's a very big honor. And जब मेरे बच्चे अब आएंगे तो मैं कहूँगा देख पापा की बिल्डिंग है, हालांकि होगी रिजवान भाई की, लेकिन दिखा तो दूंगा, नाम तो मेरा लिखा होगा कि देख पापा के नाम लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. But I think it's wonderful. और मैं सारी जो डिटेल्स हैं इसकी मैंने देखी हुई हैं, पिछले 2 महीने से हम देख रहे हैं उसको. And they are absolutely state of the art and affordable for people who are starting out their lives in Dubai, जो शुरुआत कर रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि ज़िंदगी में कहीं पहुँचे. I think for them this is going to be such a big boon and hopefully an inspiration कि हम जो है इस बिल्डिंग के अंदर अपना दफ्तर बनाएं, अपना काम चलाएं, अपनी ज़िंदगी बनाएं. So thank you, Adil. This looks lovely.
Adil, it's spectacular. I'm seeing it for the first time and एक फ्लोर तो मिलेगा ना मेरे को?
बिल्कुल मिलेगा, of course मिलेगा. Done. And this is what I mean. At Danube we do things differently. We have not, a lot of people, they have, celebrity endorsement deals, brand ambassadorship. But this is the first time somebody's dared to create a beautiful grade A tower under somebody's name. This is the first time in history, where celebrity has been named behind a tower. And of course, who better than Shah Rukh Khan himself?
Thank you.
I'm going to quickly run through. So we have also on the top floor a lounge 55. 55th floor, guys. 55th floor, you would have an outdoor lounge overlooking the Palm Jumeirah. There's another render shot. We have a beautiful tranquility garden in the podium. Networking hub, paddle tennis, badminton, cricket. Of course, this is what the offices are going to look like inside the Shah Rukh's tower. And finally, I want to end by saying that tonight we've had 2 legends over here create history. Create history not only in India, create history around the world. And I hope you guys like the presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anand. Thank you so much. This is wonderful.
Adil, thank you so much. This is spectacular, really. Fabulous.
Thank you.
So guys, big reveal देख लिया आपने and what a reveal it was. And now can we have ये bigger contract की picture कैसे बनेगी?
बिल्कुल.
Contract तो sign करना पड़ेगा आपको.
Basically, just the name
So
is there.
can we have
Just the name.
the contract signing?
अच्छा ये हम सबने कर दिया और कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
नहीं.
They are using our
Better be
brand
nice to
ambassador.
him.
They are using our brand ambassador.
पैसे चले गए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन
देखो शाहरुख की एक खासियत है वो वॉबल इज जबान इज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बट लेट्स हैव द एक्चुअल
jokes apart, this is important moment for us.
डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके आ जाओ
A
भाई.
proud moment for us to sign.
Now we officially announce Shahrukh by Daniel on Sheikh Zayed Road पे located है. Every business needs this. It's a spectacular address.
And I'll also ask Rizwan bhai and Adil कब तक तैयार हो जाएगा यार ये मुझे बताओ. In about 4 years and
Less than
5
4
years, less than 4 years. Okay,
Yeah.
मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही कमिट करता हूँ. हमारी फिल्म की डेट्स बदलती रहती हैं रिलीज की बार. So 4 years से शुरुआत करते हैं. Between 4 and 5 years inshallah.
नहीं 3 and 4 years.
अच्छा between 3 and 4 years it's going to be completed. 3 and 4 years he said. And how do we do this, Vinay?
So how do we sign that?
Guys, this is a historic moment. What a collaboration. Big hand.
You know, when I went to, I want to add this was not in this script, but when I went to Shah Rukh's house and I told him that this is what we have and we want to make this, and I also told him that this is a legacy which we are starting if you agree. But I know that this Shah Rukh Bhai Tower will not only be in Dubai, it will be across the world. You will find Shah Rukh Bhai, not Shah Rukh Bhai Danube, Shah Rukh Tower in New York, London, in Delhi, in Mumbai and other cities of the world. This legacy will be taken across the world. ये मेरा gut feeling है and I think I'm right on this.
Thank you as well. Thank you.
अब
बस मुझे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है शाहरुख भाई, स्टार्ट मैंने किया, थोड़ा 2-3% मेरे लिए रख देना साइड पे.
अच्छा he is also asking for percentage जो दूसरा टावर में शुरू करेंगे तो एकदम genuinely बनिए का दिमाग में
बनिया
है
का दिमाग है. मुसलमान की daring both in one.
सब कुछ है.
नहीं जस्ट किडिंग.
नहीं तो ये प्रॉमिस है मेरा.
नहीं भाई थैंक यू, मैं किडिंग कर
वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी ले आओ साइन करते हैं 2-3% का.
तो अब हम जरा आराम से बैठकर 2-3 क्वेश्चंस
Yes, yes.
लोगों ने हमें लिख कर दिए है, मीडिया ने. लेट मी
ये
आस्क देम.
स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं था. Yeah, picture it. We did exactly.
Okay, guys, we'll do a quick Q&A. ये सारे questions हैं that